Hi, I'm Paige, and I'm here to talk to you about how you can use keywords to increase your SEO ranking. Search engine optimization is the strategy aimed at increasing traffic to your website using the organic search results that your customers see when they're searching for business products or services. One of the best ways to improve your SEO ranking is by including a variety of keywords into your digital content. Whether it's on your website or your blog, the key is to use a variety of the best keywords for your business. Keywords can be broken down into three main areas: short tail keywords, long tail keywords, and location-based keywords. Number one, short tail keywords are very specific, usually 1 or 2 words. Think bathtub or home improvement. While these may seem appealing due to their simplicity, the truth is your small business will not appear at the top of these Google search results. Large companies and big brands dominate the competition when it comes to these keywords. Number 2, long tail keywords are less common than short tail keywords, but they're more specific to your business's online content. By using a variety of these keywords, you'll attract customers who are searching for any combination of these keywords in a Google search. For example, if you own a pizza restaurant known for its family-friendly atmosphere or its gluten-free pizza crust, you'll want to use these words in your digital content. Number 3, location-based keywords. Location-based keywords are specific to your business's physical location. For example, if you own a French bakery in Charlotte, North Carolina, you'll want to use those keywords in your digital content. By using location-based keywords, you'll not only attract someone looking for a French bakery, but someone looking for a French bakery in your neighborhood and in your city. Now that you know what you should be doing with your keyword research, here's what you should not be doing. Although it may be tempting to pick every keyword under the sun related to your business, that is called keyword stuffing. Search engines favor relevant and high-quality content over quantity, so stuffing your site with irrelevant or repetitive content can be detrimental to your SEO ranking. Lastly, remember, because your business is always changing, so should your SEO strategy. Anticipate your customers, their needs, and adapt your SEO strategy to suit the ever-changing digital landscape. See, it's easy. Now you can become an SEO expert.